Welcome to a sunny, autumnal, chilly day in the furthest part of the Black Mountains. And we're at the Olcan Valley, just below Cribbigarth, which is known locally as the Cat's Back. And we're going to do a lovely 10-mile circular to kick off my second Black Mountains run for the Everest 135 Virtual Challenge with GB Ultras. So we are just crossing the Olcan, River Olcan. Beautiful. We've reached the top of the Hatchel Hill. That's there, at the base of the Cat's Back. And we're going to shuffle along the top of the Hatchel with one foot in England and one in Wales, which is also the Offa's Dyke path. Down off that mountain behind me there, and you can go off to the left here, which takes you all the way to Haidler. We're not going that way today. Trick Point is just in the distance, and this path here is Offa's Dyke. We're not going down there. We're going to just back on ourselves now and make our way up and over the Black Hill.